Hello learners, welcome to NXTGEN Intelligence AI Academy. We are providing this course AI Origins and Foundations online and it's completely free. Today we are going to see how to access this course online using our LMS platform. Go to our website called nextgenintelligenceacademy.com and then click on register for free courses. Once you click on it, you will get a list of the courses, and this is the first course that is free from our academy today. Click on it and then click on buy now for free. With this one, you will get a sign up page where you can sign up and create your account using email address or a password, or you can sign up using the Google Mail. Let's say you are signing up using the Google email. Then select your email and then you are already in the course. Just click on the continue and your course is ready to access. There are chapters. On the left hand side you can navigate, and once you complete the course and you finish your quiz, you will get the certificate online. Let's say you want to come back to this course, then you can do is you can go to our website again, click on login button, click on the course. That way last time wherever you left off your course, you can start continuing that course. For more learning material from our academy, subscribe to our channel NXTGEN Intelligence Academy. Thank you so much.